Good morning, students. Today my topic name is water and air. Air. We know that air is present all around us. We cannot see or smell air but can feel its presence when it moves. एयर जो होती है वो हमारी लाइफ का बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट हिस्सा है. एयर हैज अ वेट, इट ऑक्यूपाइज स्पेस एंड एक्सर्ट्स प्रेशर. Thus the atmosphere has a weight and pushes down on the earth. Moving air is called winds. Importance of air. We know that air is necessary for all living things. Let us discuss the importance of air. Air is needed for breathing. All living things, examples, plants and animals breathe. The air we breathe in is called inhaled air, and the air we breathe out is called exhaled air. Our body uses the oxygen present in air and gives out air carbon dioxide. Air is needed for burning. Air is necessary for burning of things. किसी चीज को जलने के लिए भी एयर की बहुत जरूरत होती है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, टू बर्न अ कैंडल, पेपर, kerosene oil and cooking gas. Air is necessary. The oxygen gas present in the air helps in burning. Third, other uses of air. Moving air helps in the formation of different weather. Example, hot, cold, wet, dry, windy. Moving air helps in movement of gliders, kites, parachutes and sailboats. Air is used to fill football and tubes of tire. प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ एयर. एयर की कुछ प्रॉपर्टीज होती हैं, जैसे उसका वेट होता है, एयर ऑक्यूपाई स्पेस, घेरता है वो, एयर कैन बी कंप्रेस्ड, एयर एक्सपेंड्स ऑन हीटिंग एंड कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स ऑन कूलिंग, एयर एक्सर्ट्स प्रेशर. कंपोजिशन ऑफ एयर. एयर इज अ मिक्सचर ऑफ मैनी गैसेस. About 78% is nitrogen, 21% is oxygen and 1% other gases like neon, argon, carbon dioxide and ozone are present in the air. It also contains water vapor and dust particles. Atmosphere. The atmosphere is like a blanket that surrounds the earth. As we go higher up in the atmosphere, the amount of air becomes less. जैसे जैसे हम ऊंचाई पर जाते रहते हैं तो ऑक्सीजन की मात्रा कम होती जाती है. यही कारण है कि जो माउंटेनर्स होते हैं वो अपने साथ अपना ऑक्सीजन का सिलेंडर कैरी करते हैं. द ग्रेविटी पुल्स द लेयर ऑफ एयर टुवर्ड्स द सरफेस ऑफ द अर्थ. Importance of atmosphere. It provides oxygen to all living beings, both plants and animals. It maintains the temperature on the earth for the survival of living things. It burns the meteoroids before they reach the earth's surface. It protects us from harmful UV rays of the sun. Layers of earth. The atmosphere is divided into 5 different layers: troposphere, stratosphere, मेसोस्फीयर, थर्मोस्फीयर, थर्मोस्फीयर को आइनोस्फीयर भी कहा जाता है, एंड एक्सोस्फीयर. ट्रोपोस्फीयर. द ट्रोपोस्फीयर इज द फर्स्ट लेयर जस्ट अबव द सरफेस ऑफ द अर्थ. इट इज लोएस्ट लेयर. यह हमारी वो लेयर है जहां पर लाइफ एग्जिस्ट करती है. सबसे ज्यादा ऑक्सीजन यहीं पाई जाती है. All weather phenomena like changes in temperature, wind, pressure and moisture occur in this layer. The pollutants in the troposphere fall to the ground with rain or are absorbed by the oceans. Stratosphere. The second layer, stratosphere, is very stable. Above the troposphere, stratosphere is present. Jet planes fly in this layer because the clouds are rare here. Ozone gas present in this layer absorbs the harmful UV rays coming from the sun and prevents them reaching the earth's surface. These rays are dangerous and can cause eye problem and skin cancer. This layer has a large range of temperatures. Mesosphere. This is the third layer. Meteoroids and small rocks moving in space are burned here. Thus, they do not reach the Earth's surface. The mesosphere has a low temperature than the stratosphere and is the coldest of all the layers. ये बाकी सभी layers के according सबसे ठंडा होता है. Ionosphere या thermosphere. This is fourth layer. Space shuttles move in this layer of the atmosphere. The temperature in the ionosphere is very high and there is a lot of energy because of solar radiation. Beautiful auroras, also known as the northern and southern lights, occur in the thermosphere when solar flares from the sun create magnetic storms near the poles. Exosphere. The exosphere is the uppermost or outermost layer of the atmosphere. It is extremely thin and merged into space. It contains very little air. Water. Water is the life-supporting liquid on the earth. After air, the second most essential thing for our life is water. हवा के बाद जो भी हमारी सबसे लाइफ में इम्पोर्टेंस जगह रखती है वो है वाटर. सभी लिविंग थिंग्स को पानी की बहुत ज़रूरत होती है. 3/4 of our Earth's surface is covered with water. Only 3% of total water can be used for drinking. About 97% of water is in the oceans and contains salt. The water that is used for drinking comes from rivers, lakes, ponds and wells, which is usually mixed with impurities such as sand, mud and germs. In order to make water fit for consumption, it had to be purified. The substances that make the water unfit for use are called impurities. There are two kinds of impurities of water. Number 1, insoluble impurities and soluble impurities. Insoluble में हमारा वो चीज़ आ जाती है कि जिसमें जो पूरी तरह से पानी में डिजोल्व नहीं होती हैं. एग्जाम्पल सैंड, मड, सॉल्ट्स ऑफ कैल्शियम. और सोल्यूबल में वो इम्प्योरिटीज हो जाती हैं जो कि पानी में अच्छे से डिजोल्व हो जाती हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल सॉल्ट्स ऑफ पोटेशियम एंड सोडियम. रिमूवल ऑफ इम्प्योरिटीज फ्रॉम वाटर. रिमूवल ऑफ इनसॉल्यूबल इम्प्योरिटीज. इसको हटाने के 3 वो पॉइंट हैं. नंबर 1, सेडिमेंटेशन. In this method, a mixture of water and insoluble impurities is allowed to stand undistributed in a container for some time. The heavy insoluble impurities settle down at the bottom of the container. This layer impurities is called sediment. When the impurities settle down, clean water is left above the layer of impurities. This process is called sedimentation. Second, decantation. After sedimentation, the clean water is poured gently into a separate container without disturbing the sediment of impurities. This process is called decantation. Filtration. This method is used to separate water from insoluble impurities like sand by using a filter paper. To filter a mixture of water and sand, a cone of filter paper is made and kept inside a funnel. The sand does not pass through the filter paper and it remains behind on the filter paper. This is called residue. The clear water comes out of the filter paper and is collected in the beaker below the funnel. This is called filtrate. This method of purifying water is called filtration. नेक्स्ट हमारा आएगा रिमूवल ऑफ सोल्यूबल इम्प्योरिटीज. इसमें हमारा फर्स्ट पॉइंट है इवेपोरेशन. इन दिस मेथड द सॉल्यूशन कंटेनिंग सोल्यूबल इम्प्योरिटीज लाइक अ सॉल्ट इज हीटेड. आफ्टर सम टाइम वाटर गेट्स evaporated and the impurities are left behind. Second, distillation. In distillation, impure water is heated in a flask. On heating, water changes into steam and impurities are left behind the flask. The steam passes through the condenser. Here it cools and changes into water again. This water is pure and is collected in a separate flask. Actually, distilled water is the purest form of water. This water is used in car batteries, science experiments and in medicines. ये हमारा डिस्टिलेशन का डायग्राम है, जिसमें देखो कंडेंसर वाटर इन और आउट होता हुआ दिखाया गया है। प्योरिफिकेशन ऑफ ड्रिंकिंग वाटर। वाटर को प्योरीफाई करने के बहुत से उपाय हैं, जैसे बॉइलिंग, क्लोरिनेशन एंड वाटर फिल्टर। बॉइलिंग में हमारा आएगा कि वाटर इज हीटेड फॉर 10 मिनट्स। बॉइलिंग किल्स द जर्म्स प्रेजेंट इन वाटर एंड मेक्स द वाटर प्योर। It is the simplest way to purify water. Chlorination. Addition of chlorine tablets in water to kill germs and to make water pure is called chlorination. Water purifier. आजकल सब घर में हमने बहुत से वाटर प्योरीफायर देखे हैं. Electrical water purifier is used to get pure water. In most of the houses, RO water purifier is used. Thank you. Make sure to subscribe. Please like कीजिए. Be happy and be safe.